Hello and welcome to all of you. Today's question is finding the volume of regular tetrahedron. So first we understand the properties and the definition of the tetrahedron. So a polyhedron, a flat-sided solid object with four faces when its regular side length are equal and angles are equal. It is one of the platonic solids. The following point shows the properties of the tetrahedron which help us identify the shape easily. So basically tetrahedron has four faces, six edges and four vertices. So vertices basically corners. All vertices are equidistant from each other and six planes of symmetry. Unlike other platonic solid, a tetrahedron has no parallel faces. So tetrahedron has no parallel faces. A regular tetrahedron has equilateral triangles. ठीक? So all the faces of tetrahedron are equilateral triangles. So some properties which is related to tetrahedron is like volume. Volume of tetrahedron is equals to side का cube upon 6 root 2. Total surface area under root 3 a square. Area of one face root 3 upon 4 into a square. Slant height L equals to root 3 upon 2a. Altitude h equals to a under root 6 upon 3. So we will prove how to find the regular tetrahedron volume. So here we have a tetrahedron with side A and height is capital H. So basically the direct formula of tetrahedron height is under root 6 upon 3 into A, which we have seen earlier. So volume of tetrahedron V is equals to 1 upon 3 area of any face and into height of tetrahedron. So it is equation 1 and area of any face of tetrahedron is we will find it. Basically we know the area of any equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle area is equals to we have find it here. So root 3 upon 4 a square. Take. So we will find it. So here the formula of regular triangle areas from triangle ADC, which is this triangle. So we will find the area or we can say height firstly for this formula. So for finding the height we have take ADC triangle. ADC, the hypotenuse is AC and length AD and base is DC. So hypotenuse by using the Pythagoras theorem. So hypotenuse is A and height is H and base is A upon 2. So we have found it by solving it, which is H equals to A under root 3 upon 2. So we will put it into the equation 2 and we will get now from equation 2 the area of triangle ABC, which is root 3 a square upon 4. Now we will put all the values in the equation 1, which is volume of tetrahedron 1 upon 3 a into h. So the value of a is root 3 upon 4 a square and h value of h is root 6 upon 3 a. So we have the value of volume of tetrahedron, which is e cube under root 2 upon 12. So we can solve it further, like a cube root 2, we can write it as 6 into 2, or a cube root 2 is upon, we can write it as root 2 into root 2. So root 2 is cross by root 2 is equals to a cube upon 6 root 2, which is also our volume of tetrahedron. So thank you.